4 years. So in this video, I'm going to tell you how can you build a strong programming logic. Without wasting any time, let's get started. The first and the most important step is to focus on your fundamentals. Most beginners start by solving difficult problems without clearing their basic concepts. So before building logic, your concepts like variables, data types, operators, string and arrays should be clear. A strong programming logic always starts with a strong fundamental. The next step is to start with basic problems. Do not try to solve complex problems. Start with simple problems like finding out the largest number, or finding the reverse of a number, or finding the factorial of a number, or just simply finding a number is even or not. These small problems will train your brain to follow a problem step by step and also improve your problem solving. Programming logic is not something that you can memorize. It is a skill that comes only through regular practice. Even if you practice one or two problems every day, you will improve much faster than a person who practices occasionally. So, consistency is the key to become better at programming. Before writing the code, try to solve your problem manually. Take a pen and a paper and take the inputs. Think about the expected output and go through each step of your logic. Helps you understand the flow of the program and also helps you find the small mistakes before writing the code itself. After writing the code yourself, try to see how other programmers have written the same problem. Do not try to copy their code, just try to understand why they have used that same approach and what can you learn from that. Remember, programming logic is not something you are born with. It is a skill that only improves with practice, patience, and consistency. So, focus on your basics, keep solving problems, and keep learning from your mistakes. And if you have liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more Java beginner friendly content. And I'll see you in the next video. Till then, keep coding, keep growing.